Are you targeting NPAT, SAT, IPMAT, ACT, SAT, NMAT, or any other competitive exam that tests your verbal reasoning skills? If yes, then you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to take up the topic Parajumbles. I'll explain to you what Parajumbles mean and how we handle problems based on Parajumbles. My name is Vineet and I'm the co-founder of Succeed Easy Tutorials. We bring to you 30 years of tutoring experience. We help you ace any competitive exam that tests your general aptitude, from quantitative to verbal to logical reasoning skills. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let's understand what Parajumbles mean. So basically, this type of question involves options. That means you will be given a couple of sentences which you need to put in order so that the combination of those sentences makes a grammatically correct as well as a logically correct, meaningful paragraph. So obviously, it will require comprehension, it will require your knowledge about grammar, and basically it tests your logical reasoning skills. So let me give you some 8 tips to handle questions based on Parajumbles. Parajumbles test your ability to arrange jumbled sentences into a meaningful or coherent paragraph. Hence, use your sequencing and logical skills to solve these problems. Use the options or given sentences as hints or clues to put them in order. Point number 2, build your vocabulary. Work on idioms and phrases, as comprehension is necessary before you can apply logic to arrange the sentences. Point number 3, read all the given options, that is, sentences, and try to find out the central idea of the passage. If you spot an overarching statement or a conclusion, the sentence could either be an introductory sentence or most likely a concluding statement. The advantage of finding the introductory statement as well as the concluding statement is that you can fit in the balanced sentences in order pretty easily. So if you have the starting point and the ending point, then handling Parajumbles based questions becomes easy. Point number 4, look for logical connections. For example, usually an effect follows a cause, an answer follows a question, and so on. Additionally, put events in chronological order. That means in the order of date or time. Point number 5, look for transition words such as nonetheless, notwithstanding, however, therefore, thus, as a result, moreover, furthermore, nevertheless, besides, apart from, to begin with, in conclusion, to sum up, at the same time, for now, also, traditionally, etc. in sentences. The list is pretty long. Point number 6, look for mandatory pairs based on logical flow and or connecting words. Point number 7, use the elimination technique. Identify sentences with wrong pairing or contradictory information. Last pointer, tip number 8, look for story elements in the passage. Ideally, the conflict and the rising action precede the climax and the falling action. So to sum up, put sentences together to form a grammatically correct, logically sound, and meaningful passage. I'm sure that if you use these 8 tips, you should be able to, or you will be able to solve most of the Parajumbles based questions. All the very best. Please do comment on how you appreciate this content. If you like the content, please do like the video, share it with the concern, and please subscribe to my channel. You can expect many more videos on math, on English, as well as on softer skills in the near future. Please hit that bell icon so that you are notified when I post new content. Thank you so much for your time. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Happy learning.